I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Since I can't put together number 5 by putting the rest of the drawer slides on it, I will go on to number 9. That means I'm supposed to put metallic angle plates to mirror. And we'll go from there. The next step is to put, let's see, 12 drawer fronts. No. The next step is to put these simple mini fix screw into these holes on all 6 of these drawer fronts. And we've done these before. let's hope that's the last of the simple mini fix screws that I need to put in, because that'll leave me with one extra. Otherwise, I'm going to be short. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on this channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.